Hello folks, welcome back. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm here with a product from JBL, a commercial shotgun microphone, JBL CSSG20. So I'm gonna do my unboxing and share my first impressions with you. So without wasting your time, let's get right to the video. So this is our product. Let me get you an overview of the box. We have a logo on upper left corner. It says JBL Commercial Harman. And on the right side, upper right side, we have CSSG20 on camera shotgun mic. Now we have a pretty good picture of our product. And this side we have thank you for choosing JBL and hashtag sound your best. We got some key features and specifications and dimensions on the back, the same logo, the same thing, CSSG20. We have some product details on this side, a plain sign and some barcodes here and a logo. That's all. So now let's unbox the product. So when you open, we are welcome with a pouch from JBL. So this is a sign and a form. We have our product, JBL microphone, a AA battery which is 1.5 volt, and a divider for using this microphone on your smartphone. I'll tell you about it later. So now let's keep this aside and talk about the products. So this is how our mic looks like. It has a windshield which has a specific cutout for this product and a JBL logo, and it's CSSG20 is written here. And you have a battery cartridge where you put the AA battery which is 1.5 watt, and a wire. I wish this wire was a little bit more long, and that's how we got on the product. And we have a horseshoe mount which helps you to mount this microphone on your camera. Well, now let's look at the key features. We have a high sensitivity condenser capsule with super cataract pickup panel, and the second feature is adjustable microphone gain in 3 steps, which I just told you about. -10 dB, 0 dB and plus dB are the 3 gain stages. We have built-in high-pass filter to cut noise below 200 Hz. Well, I don't think it's working well. Maybe it's just my unit, but there's some issues. And we have a standard cold shoe mount which helps you to mount this on your camera conveniently. I think the coolest feature of this microphone is built-in shock mount. If you don't know what shock mount, it's a thing which helps you to reduce mechanical and vibrational noises. And like I told before, it is powered by a 1.5 AA battery which can give you approximately 80 hours of battery life. We have a battery indicator which blinks green when it's full and red when it's low. Like usual, right? So that's all. Now let's move to the audio test. The whole video was recorded on 0 dB with noise cancellation. Now I'm going to change it to -10 dB with noise cancellation. So now you are hearing on -10 dB with noise cancellation on. So this is how it sounds like. Now I'm going to switch it to +10 dB with noise cancellation on. So this is how it sounds like with +10 dB noise cancellation on. And now I'm going to switch it to 0 dB without noise cancellation. So this is how it sounds like in 0 dB without noise cancellation. So this is +10 dB without noise cancellation. Now I'm gonna switch it to -10 dB without noise cancellation. So this is how it sounds like in -10 dB without noise cancellation. So that's all. So I'm gonna wrap this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. That's all. It's me Shy signing out.